Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So we still are technically continuing to go sideways. We do have a little bit more political noise with Trump being impeached a second time, so that will be interesting to see how that plays out for the rest of this week. We've got some data coming through today as well, and obviously we still have vaccine and coronavirus noise as well. So that is pretty much what's driving the markets, and you can see total confusion. The buyers are stepping in though, so let it come back, and the buyers keep buying the dips. And I think that's just the way everybody's trained to buy the dips in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, and that's what's transpiring right now. I don't really trust this green bar that's happening right now in the Asian session. So let's just have a look at it at the lower time frame. So first things first, there is a trend line that's pretty well defined. Now I have, whoops, that's not going to work for us. Just give me a sec, guys, because I have to swap between black and white. Black's easy on my eyes when I'm trading, and white's easy on yours. So anyway, what we have here is a fairly strong trend line, which is 31,130. It extends all the way up into 3166. So 31,130, 31,166. That's pretty much the zone. Let's just put that zone in so we know exactly what we're doing. And then obviously you've still got this previous high to look at as well. So that's the one side of looking at it, that it is a flat top triangle. Remember, flat top triangles typically aren't supposed to happen at the top of trends. So that doesn't look like, it looks a bit overbought, but it's not extremely overbought. The other scenario that's here is that wedge. That is bullish and bearish signals at the moment. So anyway, that's what we're going to do, is we're going to ignore them, both of them. I think we'll just keep that trend line in, and we'll keep the structure in. Now let's just get down to the hour, and we'll take it from there. So you can see buying the dips is pretty much what everybody's doing. Every time we come down to a level, we are bought. So it's well worth just putting that level in as well. You can see all the tails here, all this interaction here. So at the moment, this green bar that we have at the moment is looking to me like an exhaustion bar. So what I would be looking for is to buy the pullback, and for me, the decent trade is going to be down here at 31.65. There's nothing really transpiring. I mean, we are still going sideways, and I suppose we still need to wait for whatever's going to transpire on the political front as well. So at the moment, my plan of action is pretty simple. Look at what transpires at 31,138 and 31,113, probably 3,100 as well. And bear in mind, we've still got a bit of a gap to the downside here as well. So if we just come to the 15-minute, you'll see, in my eyes, that gap there is still open. Not there, there. So that was where the bar closed. We didn't even get to there. So that area there, which is 31,081, that gap is definitely still open. I don't see anything else lower down. Yeah. Okay, so you can see we've sort of climbed, and then we've gone parabolic here. So it's kind of up, exhaustion bar, onto a level, and we are trying to take that level out, 31,200 area. I'm not entirely convinced. I think this is just the Asian session bouncing a bit. Europe opens, you're probably going to find coming down. I wouldn't want to be shorting. I'm looking for opportunities to buy in, but what you're going to have to do is buy in low and then sell. Pick one of the levels and sell out and walk away from it. Wait for the next pullback. And you can see it is happening quite often. You can see come back to level, buy a step in, and you can see they started taking profit here. Next level, pushed it, and then third level down, and then here we come back down again, and the buy step back in again. So I suspect more of the same. If we do get down to this area of 31,081 with the trend line, then I'm definitely interested in buying into this. Okay, so anyway, so that's my plan of action at the moment, is really just short, not short, short's the wrong term, wrong frame, wrong word, but I think there's another one that I can come up with. But anyway, it's holding those positions for a short period of time. Okay, so wait for the pullback, buy into it, and look for profit. Look for a logical area to take profit. Look to the left, see where the previous selling or buying happened, and take profit at that level. Don't try and push it beyond anything at the moment until we break out of the structure. And the structure is going to get to the 2 hour here. You'll see if I draw a line at the bottom here as well, I can do it there. Or any one of these tails, you can see that is sideways price action at the moment, and barbed wire, totally confused. Okay, so we are making high lows. That's the first thing. We have made a high here at the moment. Next step, pull back onto structure, wait for some price action on the 15, and then buy into this and take profit at the first opportunity. Okay, that's it for me at the moment. Hope it helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch up with you later on. Cheers for now.